Hey guys, this is Jeff, Swing Trade Warrior with WarriorTrading.com. I'm going to do our weekly swing trade, closed swing trade recap. I want to let everybody know, quick announcement, this Monday, June 1st, we will be hosting a free chat Monday. Anybody that is interested can come by and check us out. You'll get all our day trade and swing trade alerts intraday in the chat room, and we'll also be hosting a webinar intraday as well. So if you're interested and you have time on Monday during market hours, go to WarriorTrading.com and click on the free chat link, and it'll bring you right into our room. Okay, let's begin. We don't have any trades this week to talk about. The market was kind of choppy. It didn't really give us a lot of good setups for the stocks that I was looking at. But we did kill it day trading. This was one of my biggest weeks I've had ever. Day trading using our gap and go strategy, and there were people in the room who were making $10,000-$20,000 a day. So it was a pretty big week for most of our people, and it was focused heavily on the day trading. However, we do have some swing trades to talk about. This week we got long on DRRX, Direct Corp. I was watching this stock back in March over the $2. Where's it at? Back in April here, over the $2 mark. I was watching this stock here over the $2 mark for breakout. I put it on watch list while it was consolidating sideways here in middle of April, and the day I took it off my master watch list, it ended up popping over the $2 mark, and it ended up gapping up and running to a high of 261. So I was pretty bummed that I missed it. Naturally, it gave up its gains. Came back down to that $2 level, and it's slowly been trending higher, putting in higher highs and higher lows. We got long on this stock at 250, watching it for the next breakout and move to possible move to $3. And so we're still long on this trade. We've been making new highs just around 270 for the past couple days, 268, 269, and then today we hit 272 high. So the volume here is a lot higher than it has been in the previous few weeks. We have a high relative volume, and we're making higher highs, lower lows. So I expect to see a gap on this, hopefully closer to $3 come sometime early next week. I have a pretty large position on it, and it just hasn't given us the move yet that we're looking for. We're green, and that's great, but I'm still looking for the bigger move here like we had back in early April when I was watching it, and we put in a big 30% move. So that's what I'm waiting for, something along those lines, and I think we'll see it again next week, assuming it holds up. The other trade I want to talk about is NQ. NQ Mobile. This stock's been in play a lot over the past couple of years, and let me zoom in here. We were watching it. It hit my scanner, my small cap scanner, back on the 26th here. I put it on watch, and my long trigger on this was over 388, 390 area. And let me find that on here. Okay, so we got long on this trade over the previous high. Once it hit the scanner, it made a high of 385. I was watching it, 388, 390. I ended up getting long, several thousand shares at 388, and we put in a massive 10% candle that day, and we ended up taking half our profits off the table on this giant move up to the upside here to 425. Right now it's flagging, trading sideways, and we have another attempt at breakout over the flag. The market didn't really hold up today, but our trade is holding up. We're up about 25 cents on it right now on a couple thousand shares. So I will look to scale back in what I scaled out, since I do have the 388 average, and the next target on this trade is going to be probably right around this 430 area. I want to see the 430 area break. It's kind of a nice little triple top here, and I think if that falls and the volume can hold up, we'll see a move potentially up to the 460s before going any higher. So this stock is volatile historically. It is capable of putting in big multi-day runs, and when it's in play, it tends to have a pretty wide, tends to trade pretty wide as far as ATR goes when you do get these high volume days. So we're seeing the ball well. We're not trading a lot. We're not over trading, but the trades that we're hitting are winners. We have a great win percentage for the month of May. We're about 90%. And so we're trading less, focusing on the higher probability setups, and it seems to be working. So again, DRRX and NQ were the two big swing trades, both nice winners this week. Looking for a bigger move on both, and hopefully we'll be able to report back next week with those wins. That concludes the swing trade recap video for this week. Like I said, it was a slow week for swing trades, great week for day trades. And once again, I want to remind everybody that Monday we are hosting the free chat day. So go to warriortrading.com and you can click on the link and you will be able to access our chat room all day for free. And if you guys have any questions about any stocks, any questions about swing trading or day trading, I'm more than happy to answer. My contact info is below, and you can email me, Jeff@warriortrading.com. Other than that, everybody have a great weekend, and we'll see you next week.